Hi guys, today we're taking a look at the Ads Insights function on SellerSprite. It's very important on Amazon to use profitable keywords to run a successful pay-per-click campaign. But it can be tedious to find the best keywords unless you have SellerSprite. The traditional way to find the keywords is by first running a PPC campaign to see the results, then working out which worked and which didn't. With SellerSprite, you don't need to do that. You can analyze your competitors and find the best keywords and PPC campaign for your product. There are different PPC campaigns like broad, phrase, exact, or auto campaign. For example, let's search queen size bed sheets. Let's take a deeper look. When we're on the Amazon search page, we can see the Chrome extension from SellerSprite called Ads Insights. Start by clicking it. We can see here, this listing has 61 campaigns and 67 ad groups. From these bubbles, you can understand those keywords used. We are currently showing data by week. You can switch to month by clicking here. If you would like to see more detail, just hover over a bubble. As you can see, there are 59 keywords used this month. Once we click it, we see all search terms used. Here we can see the ASIN SP rank, which means it has sponsored ads, showing a rank of 113 for this keyword. And then here you can see the organic keywords rank. This graph shows the search term trend by its ABA rank, search volume, and year-over-year growth. Here we can see more keyword-related metrics, like you can see monthly search volume, SPR, click concentration, and so on. So how do we know what kind of PPC campaign this listing is running? By looking at the PPC search term report over time. If the bubbles are similar to this, where there's a consistent amount of search terms used, this is highly likely to be an exact campaign. Up here you can see there are 59 search terms used here. This one may be a broad or auto campaign. You just need to click on the bubbles to analyze and compare the search terms further to find out. Let's do a reverse ASIN from the Amazon product detail page. For example, let's take a look at this ASIN. Like before, we can see the Ads Insights button from SellerSprite here. Just click it to analyze further, and as you can see, this listing has 2,073 campaigns and 2,529 ad groups. Here are the ad groups you can analyze. We often call them by a random name, like the campaign name and ad group name. Sometimes you can see they have the same campaign, but different ad groups. For example, this one, you see the campaign name is the same as this campaign name, but the ad groups names are different. You can see here we can go back in time like this to analyze the PPC campaign of this listing back to 2018. This is a very helpful tool. For example, if you want to see this listings campaign back in December of 2022, just click it, and here we have two keyword phrases. This one here is a Spanish keyword. Let's go back now. You can sort them by latest first or oldest first, and by monthly or weekly like we saw earlier. Over here you can see this big bubble indicates it has many search terms and then just a few search terms. This means it's likely to be an auto campaign. This also could be an auto campaign also. And this one shows a very similar amount of search terms, so it may be an exact campaign. So again, if you would like to reverse any ASIN to understand the kind of PPC they use, just copy the ASIN. Come to Ads Insights in SellerSprite, paste it here, then hit search. Here is another example. This listing has more than 1,071 campaigns and 1,415 ad groups. You can analyze and see all the ad groups, search terms, and campaigns from here, like we did earlier. Remember, when you find the most effective keywords, you can save them and use them for your PPC campaigns later. Save yourself time and money by learning how the most effective listings do their campaigns and mimic it with a similar approach. That's all for today's tutorial on Ads Insights. Thank you for watching. See you next video.